Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to give access to your Google Merchant Center account. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Google Merchant Center, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To grant access to your Google Merchant Center account to other users, you just have to follow these simple steps. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the gear icon in the top right corner and select the account settings. And then I want you to click the people and access. And from here, you have two options. You can manage people's access to your account, all right? You can add a person if you wanted, or you can also add the person, but the thing is you can manage people with only email access. That means they're kind of limited in terms of the things that they can do here on your account, especially if you're working with multiple people or collaborating with teams behind your Google Merchant Center account, or with your Google Ads. You might want to do with that. All right, so I want you to click the add person if you want to add people. From here, you might want to put in an invitation will be sent to this email address. In my case, I'm going to put in let's try that and click on next. And what will happen is, you see, you can give an access type. Is it going to be an admin? Users with beyond standard access. Admins may add, remove, or edit users. Only admins can add and remove apps and store to Merchant Center. You can also put in a standard and performance, and from here, all you have to do is click the add user. Now, after doing so, if you wanted to add an email only access, again, same strategy, click the add person, just type in the name. For example, it's the same thing. All right, and then click on invite. What will happen is the same thing again here. You see, you can put in the all types of access. Is it going to be mandatory service announcement, news and tips, opportunities? You can put in the orders, and this is going to be the name and the status. And the last thing is you have to click on save. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.